So we had another monster profit week this week with the market reversal alert CA and the position trading strategies that I trade every day live in the live rooms. We did 32.35% profit with the four main strategies. So in this video, I'm going to talk you through each of the strategies, show you how they all work. We're going to have a look at each of the terminals and have a look at a few of the trades that have been taken with the strategies this week. So starting off here, this is the H1 hedging strategy. I'm going to run through all the strategies for you after I've quickly covered the results, and we'll have a look at how we get into these trades and how the market reversal alert CA takes all these trades on autopilot for us. So every single one of these terminals that you're seeing here on the VPS is an account which basically runs every single trade that was possible to take with these strategies. So in normal conditions, you would want to limit your risk a little bit more than these EAs are doing. You'd want to get into no more than sort of two entries on each currency in each direction. But this terminal is basically just showing you every single trade. So this one's done 11.48% profit this week. Sitting in 3.76% of drawdown. Here's a list of some of the trades that have been taken this week. As you can see, there's quite a few trades being taken. Lots of profit in there, lots of losses in there as well. But that's the H1 hedging strategy. This is the H4 M5 mean reversion strategy. This one's done 7.04% this week, sitting in 0.9% of drawdown currently. Again, you can see some of the trades that have been taken with the EA this week on that one. This is H1 M5 mean reversion. So very similar strategy to the H4 M5 mean reversion strategy, except this runs on the hourly time frames. I'm going to cover all the strategies again in a second for you anyway. This one's done 11.15%. We had one lost day this week. But again, really nice week this week, 11.15, sitting in 0.79% of drawdown. So hardly any drawdown at all on the account at the moment. And again, here's a load of the trades that have been taken this week with this one. And finally, we've got the ADR reversal set file. The ADR reversal set file's done 2.68% this week. Not a great week. There have been quite a few big, strong pushes this week. So as you can see, this one's sitting currently in 3.12% of drawdown. So nothing dramatic there. There's nothing that's really in heavy drawdown at all. But yeah, 2.68% there on the ADR reversals, and obviously that one will just bank some of that drawdown next week when the market starts to pull back. So again, here's some of the trades that one's taken this week. So there's your results. So in total, that's 32.35%, and that's every trade that the EA could have taken this week on all the four strategies that I teach in the position trading bootcamp, and I trade in the live room on a daily basis. So let's have a quick look at the strategies that produced these results this week. So this is the H1 hedging strategy. Now, this is a really simple strategy. All it's doing is basically taking trades every time you get a market reversal alert, which is done by the market reversal alerts indicator. And obviously, this is all executed by the EA. This is what's taught in the position trading bootcamp. So all it's doing is literally taking every trade when we get a break of structure. So as you can see, all you're doing is you're entering the market on the hourly time frame. Every time you get a market structure shift back down to the downside, we're risking 0.2% on every trade, and that is based on half an ADR's movement. Again, ADR is all fully explained in the bootcamp, and the exit is on half an ADR of movement in our direction. So we're literally just taking small trades, as you can see here. We're taking small profits out of the market, half an ADR's movement at a time, on a regular basis as the market structure moves up and down. So that's the H1 hedging strategy. Again, all fully taught in the bootcamp. You can go to the website and watch the bootcamp at any time. The second strategy is the ADR reversal strategy. So basically, when price exceeds its average daily range, all we do is we wait for a reversal alert on the 5-minute time frame, and we jump into trades as the market is pushed and got extended beyond its normal average daily ranges. So as you can see here, we got the ADR indicator here, which shows us the average daily range of the instrument and the extensions beyond that. And basically, as soon as we get a condition where the market is extended beyond normal levels, we drop down to the 5-minute time frame. We wait for that market reversal alert to trigger to show us that there's a potential shift in structure coming back in the other direction. And we get in and we jump out with 1/3 of an ADR of profit. So again, risk on this one is 0.2% per entry taken. And as this is a position trading strategy, all these are position trading strategies. So we're entering very small risk. And if the market pushes a little bit further against us than we're expecting, we take additional positions to dollar average in and then exit when we get that movement back in our direction. So again, 30% of the average daily range in pips basically is the exit criteria for this one. H1 M5 mean reversion strategy. So this is a very, very simple strategy based on RSI. All we're doing is we're waiting for the RSI to get extended beyond normal levels. And as that extension happens on the 75 or the 25 is what I've been using on the market reverse alerts EA. As soon as it gets extended beyond those conditions on the hourly time frame, we again drop down to the 5-minute time frame, and we take that reversal alert in the direction against the RSI extension, risking 0.25% of the balance based on the average daily range, half an average daily range. And the exit is half an ADR in our direction. So again, very, very, very simple strategy. All it's doing is using two indicators: the relative strength index to show us when the market has pushed hard in one direction, is ready for a pullback, and it's using the market reversal alerts indicator on the lower time frame to show us when that reversal is starting to happen, and then we get out when the market pushes in our direction. And finally, we've got the H4 M5 mean reversion strategy. Same principle as H1 M5. Only difference with this one is we're using the 4-hour time frame, and we're using the RSI extensions on the 4-hour time frame, and doing exactly the same thing. When we've got that extended condition, we drop back down onto the lower time frame, and we take that 5-minute reversal alert, which shows us when the market structure is shifting, and then we just get out on that profit take move. So those are the 4 strategies that the trades have been taken on. This is the Position Trading Bootcamp. It's all available completely free on the marketstructuretrader.com website. And this will teach you how to position trade, how to execute these strategies manually. And of course, you've got the Market Reversal Alerts EA, which you can use to completely automate all of these strategies for you and take the trades on autopilot. And all you've got to do then is sit there and monitor your P&L and just deal with anything that's getting a little bit too extended, which is all again taught in the bootcamp, how to do drawdown control when that occurs. So there you go, 32.35% profit achieved this week. Another fantastic week. If you want to know more about the strategies, go to the website, and you can obviously join me daily in the live rooms at 7:50 a.m. UK time, 2:20 in the afternoon UK time as well, for the Frankfurt session and the London session, where I do analysis on position trading strategies and basically execute all these trades live every day in the live room. So hopefully we'll see you there soon.